This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing. Backup documents, desktop, app data, and browser bookmarks so nothing is lost. Once done, jot down installed apps and license keys because a reset removes programs. Next, open Settings, choose System then Recovery, and select Reset this PC. Choose whether to keep files or remove everything. The former preserves your user data, the latter gives a full clean. Make sure to plug into power and connect to the internet for updates and account reauthentication during the process. Once you pick Keep My Files or Remove Everything, decide Cloud Download for a fresh image or Local Reinstall to use existing files. Cloud often fixes corrupted system files. Make sure to suspend BitLocker or decrypt drives to avoid prompts during reinstallation. Click Change Settings to clear drives or clean them for secure erase if needed. Confirm your selections, then start the reset. The PC will reboot multiple times. Watch the progress and do not power off. After the reset, Windows will walk you through after reset, reinstall applications and restore your backed up files, then run Windows Update to fetch the latest patches and drivers so hardware works smoothly. Sign into your Microsoft account and re-enable BitLocker only after confirming system stability. If something fails to boot or settings remain incorrect, reboot into safe mode to isolate the issue. You can also run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files. If unresolved, contact support with error codes or logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.